Now the search is underway for Piper Lewis. The Iowa teenager admitted to killing her alleged rapist in 2020, and in September, a judge ordered her to serve 5 years of probation at the Fresh Start Women's Center in Des Moines. KCCI's Scott Carpenter is live on the north side for us tonight. And Scott, how did Lewis escape?
Well, Steve, she cut off her GPS tracker and then just ran off. An alarm rang here at 6:15 in the morning on Friday, and then the residential officer saw Lewis leaving the Fresh Start Women's Center. So this is her last known location.
The fact that she left and cut off the GPS device really puts her in jeopardy.
Lewis was serving 5 years probation here at Fresh Start Women's Center, free to come and go for work. Now she could end up behind bars. Drake law professor Robert Riggs says she'll likely lose her deferred judgment.
She'll be losing that deferment, which means she'll be a convicted felon for the rest of her life.
This probation violation could cost her decades in prison.
Bottom line is now she's exposed herself to a potential criminal liability of 10 years incarceration on each count. She has 2 counts.
Meaning she could serve 20 years in prison. Polk County Attorney John Sarcone sent me a statement that says in part, quote, "Once she's apprehended, she will be taken to jail and a probation revocation hearing will be set. At that time, there will be a hearing to determine what the judge will do based on the violations that are proved." Riggs says Lewis should come forward right now.
If she were my client, I would advise her to come in and let's go down and let's turn herself in to the court. We do that directly, and then we would be able to offer any explanation we would want to offer.
On top of her original 5-year probation sentence, Lewis was ordered to pay $150,000 in restitution. With national attention on her case, a GoFundMe was set up to help her make those payments. It ended up raising more than $500,000. I asked GoFundMe, what happens to that money now? They say that money will only be released when their verification process is complete, and they will process any request for a refund from donors. So the money in the GoFundMe is frozen and hasn't been used for restitution payments. Now, I spoke with the organizer of that fundraiser. He says he's heartbroken and praying for Piper Lewis's safety, but he says he'll know more in the coming weeks about what's going to happen to that money. We're live in Des Moines. Scott Carpenter, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.